Hey subbies, this is my Meet the Nerds coming with you guys today with a quick Walmart haul. And I'm going to get right into it real quick and show you guys what I got. The first thing I got is a new 24-inch duffel bag. This was $18. The next thing I got are these sparkly waters. These are black cherry. I got the wild cherry. These are 68 cents for 33 ounce. I got cherry lemonade. I also bought tropical fruit. These are frozen. I also got cheese for some pizzas later. Some Philadelphia 2-pack cream cheese. This is an awesome sale. I got 2 of those right there. I also got the Fuji apple, cherry lemonade, another wild cherry, and another wild cherry. I also bought the 3-pack of gummy snacks for my nephew for school. These were on sale for $4.84. It's better than buying one box. I also got him a SpongeBob gummy candy for his Easter basket. I also got some plant food. This was $1.97. I also got some paddles for him. That was 97 cents, I think. I also got some black ink for my printer. And last I got was some pepper seeds, some snap peas, old-fashioned garden mixture. These are all 50 cents. And regular tomatoes. At Walmart, my throat is like I got a cold, so I sound kind of funny, you guys, and my battery's dying. So I wanted to go through real quick so I could go to my Dollar Tree haul, which will be next coming up. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.